The carbon cycle. The carbon cycle is a cycle that has been going on for millions of years. An atom of carbon is never destroyed. It just keeps on changing the atoms it's combined with as it goes through the carbon cycle. There is lots of carbon dioxide in the air, and there is even some in the oceans and seas. Some of this carbon is then removed from the environment by green plants and algae for photosynthesis. The equation for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water makes glucose plus oxygen in the presence of sunlight. However, these plants don't only take in carbon dioxide, but they also let some out when they respire. Carbon dioxide is also released back into the atmosphere when plants are combusted. The carbon from the carbon dioxide taken in by plants becomes the plant's biomass. In other words, it is used to make the carbohydrates, fats, and proteins which make up the body of the plants and algae. When these green plants are eaten by animals, the carbon becomes part of the fats and proteins that make up their bodies, their biomass. When these animals respire, they release carbon dioxide. The equation for respiration is sort of the opposite to the equation for photosynthesis. It's oxygen plus glucose makes carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. When both plants and animals die, they leave over organic compounds. These organic compounds in the now dead organisms are eaten, or decomposed, by other microorganisms, like decomposers and detritivores. These microorganisms also respire, and therefore they release some carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. Some of these organic compounds in dead organisms, over time, become fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are a non-renewable source of energy and are basically huge pools of stored carbon. Some examples are coal, oil, and natural gas. When we combust these fossil fuels to get energy, carbon dioxide is released back into the atmosphere.